Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of the Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation, which is also known as RCBC. So the SWIFT codes are really very important for you to make the safe and the accurate international money transfers, and these SWIFT codes also may vary from city to city. So here first of all you need to come here on the official website of RCBC Bank, which is rcbc.com. Here use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen and look for the option of SWIFT code. Now if you find any of the articles relating to the SWIFT code, you just have to go through that and try to get your SWIFT code relating to your city. So if this method doesn't work for you, you can just simply contact to the RCBC customer support team and you can get your SWIFT code as per your region. You can also use this website, which is called bank.codes. It is specifically made for you to find the SWIFT codes of the banks. So come here on this website and select your country first, which is Philippines in our case. Now just simply use the other tab and look for RCBC Bank. Now select your city and it is going to show you all of the SWIFT codes as per the details that you have added here. Now you can use this SWIFT code in order to make the international transactions without any problem and with ease. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.